Pop, pop, popcorn. Mom and Dad went to the movies. Grams came over to stay with us. "Hi, Nate," said Grams. "I have lots of fun games for you and Grace." Grams took out one of the games to play. "Grams, can we make popcorn?" I asked. "Sure," said Grams. "I love popcorn." "So do I," said Grace. Grams got the popcorn. Grace got the pot. I got a bowl for the popcorn. Grams put the pot on the stove. Then he put some oil and popcorn into the pot. "We love popcorn," said Grace. Grams put some more popcorn in the pot. I said, "We like lots and lots of popcorn." Grams put lots and lots of popcorn in the pot. Grams put the lid on the pot. Then we went back to play the game. "I hear the popcorn popping," said Grace. "When can we eat it?" "Will it be soon?" I asked. "We can eat the popcorn when it stops popping," Grams said. We played some more. "That popcorn is taking a long time," I said. "The popcorn is still popping," said Grams. "Let's go look at it." "Oh no," said Grams. "Oh no," said Grace. "Oh yes," I said. "But now we need a bigger bowl."